Greetings, my friend. Learning is not passive. It's not an act of consumption. Another great concept is to realize that learning is an act of creation. As a matter of fact, what you think and do is more important than what I think, say, and do. You are the most important part of this course. My role is simply to initiate the learning process and then get out of the way. I like to share with my clients that true knowledge is doing. I hear all the time in my practice, I know. My reply is, then do. Our knowing arrives from our doing. So what do you want to know? What do you want to be at the end of this course? The best answers are centered around to grow, to become, or to have. Setting an intention like, I intend to choose to show up fully present, to be open, willing, and engaged so I can get the most out of my time and resources is an excellent place to begin. The first thing I want you to do is identify what you hope to gain from this course. Let me know in the comments section below this video what your expectations are for this course. There are many valuable and helpful reasons to be here. And remember to keep this thought running through the back of your mind while you're on this journey. You don't get what you want in life. You get what you expect. Common expectations I hear from my students are, I'm here to better my health. I yearn for more happiness, higher income, and improved relationships is usually at the top of that list. If you expect to find great tools and techniques in this course, you will. But if you expect your life to stay the same and think not much is going to change in the way of your health or happiness, then you're right there too. I expect you will benefit greatly from this course, make significant improvements in your overall health, well-being, and happiness, abundance, and relationships. I know you can. And understanding your expectations now will help you later in the course, identifying your stressors for sure. Please join the BolsterUp Facebook group and post a quick video to introduce yourself and share one thing you intend to get out of this course. Take your time with that in all lessons, and I'll catch you in the next module.